Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover AI crypto projects, the best altcoins to buy in 2023. All projects that has been pumping a lot right now are starting to get into red, which is what I was expecting. So we are going to cover a little bit about these projects, and I'm going to do technical analysis and tell you exactly my strategy and when I plan to enter into these positions. Like I mentioned in previous videos, for me each bull run has a narrative. First was ICO, last one was NFTs and metaverse, maybe this year is AI and machine learning. So we are going to cover 7 projects for AI. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, this is kind of a part 2 of the video that I did yesterday. Yesterday in this best AI crypto chain projects, I covered 7 projects. And in today's video, instead of talking about the projects, I'm going to do a strategy on when I plan to enter into these coins, if I'm going to enter, and what are the prices that I see in the TA, in the chart that it's convenient to enter. Right now, these altcoins are starting to reverse from this hype that we have from crypto AI projects. And I think it's a great opportunity to start looking and start to see the accumulation phase if you want to be ready with AI coins for the next bull run in 1 or 2 years. So if you want to know about these projects, check my previous video, Best AI Crypto Chains Project. And if you want to know exactly when to enter, keep watching this video. So basically I mentioned in the last video that each bull run has a narrative, and for me a very big possibility is that the next one is going to be AI and machine learning. Not because it's pumping in crypto right now, but because the companies, the AI companies around the world, Google, Microsoft, Meta, all those are all into AI right now and putting a lot of money into that. So the first project that I covered yesterday is Fetch. The token is FET. And it's ranked at position 107. It was already in the top 100 and now it's a little bit come back out of the top 100. The max supply of this is 3.5 billion tokens and the market cap was 379 million. You can see the price at the moment of recording is 45 cents. Has been pumping like crazy. I think it touched 50 from 6 cents on the last 2-3 months. The all-time high was 95 cents, and this project is in the market since 2019. So most of these projects you are going to see are not new projects from AI. They have been in the market, but without the attention and the hype that AI has right now, they really didn't get into much action in the previous bull runs. And my entry price for this is going to be between 30 cents and I have another target on 70 cents. Exchanges, yes, this is very good. This is already listed in Binance, many of these projects, but it's already in many exchanges, so we have liquidity. There are volume trading this token. So if we go to the chart, you can see that we don't have the complete history, but you can see already that this has been pumping many times before. For example, here, 2020 in February. Here we have another big pump and here another big pump. So basically these 3 big pumps, I think that all those times we acted the similar ways. You can see, for example, in this pump from here to here on the Fibonacci extension, we come back already to the 0.786. So that is something that I am considering that maybe happen again. If we go to this pump, you can see that it was similar. We come back and tested the 0.786. And in the last one, you can see that after this pump, we also come back and test the 0.786 Fibonacci extension. So in all these 3, we get very big retracements for Fetch. And I saw many people FOMO in right now on the hype, because again, we did this hype, this very big pump. But if you see here, we already have more big pumps than this one. Actually, this is more percentage that we already did here. So could we go back again into the 0.786 Fibonacci? Well, that level is here at the 16-17 cents exactly. From 45 cents Could we come back and test this level? Well, I think it's very possible. You can see support here, clear resistance here on the previous top. So we could come back and test this level. If the high continue, maybe we don't. So that is why I think this level inside the golden pocket here at the 30 cents is my first level to enter into Fetch, because the project is great, and you can see my previous video of AI projects if you want to know about more Fetch. But today is all about strategy and entry points. So you can see that we have support here, we have resistance also on this level, resistance here. So for sure, I think we could really come back and test the 30 cents. And if we keep going down, then my target is going to be 17 cents, which corresponds to the Fibonacci extension of the 0.786. which is the same that we already tested in the 3 preview pumps that this token had. And this was not yesterday. These 3 pumps already happened since 2020. So I think the history could repeat here. So my targets again for Fetch, 17 cents or 30 cents. Those are my 2 targets right now for entry points. Another hot project is SingularityNet. We already covered this in my previous video. So this project is ranked at position 79. So has been pumping like crazy. Also there has been some partnership with Cardano, and that also make it pump it. The max supply is 2 billion tokens, which is not that much, and the market cap is already $500 million. So has been pumping like crazy. The price is 47 cents, the all-time high 95 cents, so this is like a 50% from all-time high. It's not that much. The project again has been here in the market since 2018. The entry price for this, for me, is between 21 and 25. It's really unclear, but right now I'm managing those entry points. Exchange is very good listing. So if you go here, and you can see all the charts, because in Binance we don't have all the data, but you can see that it has been really dead in 2018, 19 and 20. We pumped it some in 21, but you can see that we already are mostly at the same levels of that pump. So really didn't happen too much in this project until now with all this pump of AI. And you can see that it's already going down at the moment of recording, 31% down. So the pump that we are having with AI is already in a retracement, so we could get more easily into our targets. The token is AGAX. I'm going to put candles of 4 hours, and you can see that this pump is like crazy. We have data here from October 2022, so not much data. But you can see if you enter here the 2nd of January into Singularity, you will be doing 1400% to the day of recording this almost. So this pump is like crazy. We have here a symmetrical triangle with a little of resistance from this rectangle, but then we break it with a lot of volume. So this was clearly a continuation pattern, a bullish flag, has many names for this. If you put it this way, it will be a bull flag, a clear bull flag in continuation pattern. So where we can go here? Well, I think we could come back to these levels if this continue going down and the pump start to cooling off. But there are not much information on this chart to do a really good technical analysis. But it's not moment to enter yet. This has been pumping like crazy, so I am not touching this until at least we come back here to this 24-25 cent level and get some support and start to generate some structure in the chart. The third project is Numerai NMR, position 241, only 11 million tokens, guys. So yeah, if you can see Numerai, the max supply is almost half of the Bitcoin supply, so really low supply. Could this go to the $1,000 of dollars? We're super risky, so we cannot make that exact comparison, but for sure $20 for this amount of supply. If this project is going to do it right and well in the next bull run, you may see $1,000 here. So yeah, not so crazy because of the amount of supply. Also, the circulating supply already half of the total supply, so yeah, big expectations in terms of tokenomics is really cool. And in terms of the chart, I can see only clearly this. We have a very strong support area here with this rectangle, and then we have resistance area. So you can see like a trading volume around here and a trading volume around this other sector. So right now we break this again, so it's support, but we are just testing the $20 as support at the moment of recording. So actually this could be also resistance like happened here. You can see that we went even into with 1 week here, but then we come back and tested lower prices around 10 cents. We had this downtrend from here, all this downtrend from years, from 2021, but now we also break this with a lot of strength. So that is why I'm not sure if we are going to go back to the $10 again, but I think $20 is still a reasonable price for this project. I think being in this rectangle is actually a good entry. We already have support there. So the thing here is also wait for some structure, but because you can see we are 20% down again, I will wait a little bit. So my entry point for this, it will be between $20, $15 around that area. I think it's a very good entry. In terms of exchanges, very good also. And this project is here since 2017. I am not mega bullish on this project. I just want to tell you, because it's all based on one San Francisco hedge fund and strictly attached to stock market. So I prefer projects, AI projects like that brings in infrastructure to create the apps and AI over them. The fourth project that I covered in yesterday's video is Cortex. Right now ranked at position 362. Also from 2018 has been in the market. 300 million tokens is the max supply. So yeah, half of a billion, not even that. So really good tokenomics. The market cap is 62 millions. I have like a rule that projects below 100 million in market cap for me are starting to count as shams and more risky. 62 million, even if looks like a lot, sometimes projects can have more than that just for founding. If you don't want to risk too much, just go into projects that are above the 100 million already in market cap. But at this price, at 29 cents, and I think it's right now even a little less. Yeah, also 20% down. So yeah, these prices are really nice. The all-time high according to CoinGecko was $2.39. So we are at least 10x below that. Exchanges good. There are not a lot of exchanges, but it's in Binance at least. And my entry price, it will be between 16 and 20 cents. And again, just a couple of trends. This has been all a very bullish trend since 2020 until 22. 22 we suffer the retracement like with any coin, and right now we are pumping because all the AI hype. So this rectangle I think is acting as support right now. It was resistance here, resistance, support, big support during these years, and now we are in support too. So I will wait the 20 cents. I think we could come back here, and from there I think this rectangle is a great area for buying. Of course, if we go down this, then I think we are going to be in trouble, and we may retest some of these levels here, down here on this trend, which has been support on all these bottoms. So this is at 7 cents, which is really low. I don't think we are going to go that low, but between 15 cents and 20 cents I think is a great area. Then we have the cargo, also cover this project, try to solve similar stuff like Vechain. Position 268, 5 billion tokens, market cap just about 100 million. Price of the token below the 4 cents. The correlation between the amount of tokens of the supply market cap, I think is awkward. The all-time high didn't get too much, only 70 cents. This project is since 2020, so it's less new than many of the others that I already covered. My entry price for this, it will be below 3 cents and a half. So right now we are at 4 cents, so I am not expecting too much downtrend there, but I think a good entry price, it will be at those levels below the 4 cents like we are right now here. You can see we have been in a downtrend since March 2021. and we just break it with all this pump. So let's see what happens. If we can get support around the 4 cents like we are right now, then that would be a really nice entry for this. If not, we are going to wait 3 cents or 3 cents and a half to enter. Then we have Deep Brain Chain. This is a controversial project, and if you see the chart, you are going to be horrified. It's at position 612, has been since 2018, guys, already here, almost 5 years in the market. So nobody knew about these projects until now that the AI is pumping a lot again. 10 billion tokens in supply, 21 millions in market cap, so many possibilities to pump. It's a very ambitious project, I will say. You can check it in this video that is appearing right now if you want to know more about Deep Brain. But yeah, the price is less than 1 cent. It's actually half of a cent. So if you think of that, I think it's really cheap at this moment, and you may have a lot of opportunity to a couple of exits. But the chart of this project doesn't look nice. This is only the data from Gate, but if you look here on the old time frame, you can see that actually this didn't anything since 2018. We have like the pump of May, you can see it was like nothing to almost 2 cents. And right now pump it a little bit on the last month, because of all the hype. But what I think this is the most controversial project on this video. They are still really active and working and accomplishing things, but it's such difficult project and ambitions that I don't know what could happen. This could be like one of those gems, or you could get this token until it's like a meme coin because of all the zeros that you could get. So really don't know what to do with this one. If I will need to wait a retracement right now, I will wait the 0.786, around 2.5 of a cent, or even to 1/8 of a cent. Those are going to be my targets to wait and decide what to do. And finally, guys, Phoenix PHB, I am really bullish on this project. Also because it's already in Binance and it's ranked at position 429. So I think this could be really a sham. And this is a layer 1 and layer 2 blockchain infrastructure that empowers intelligent Web3 applications, focusing on the next generation of AI and privacy-enabled Web3 apps. So really interesting, Phoenix. Also, token economics is 41 million, the total supply. There's no max supply, so right now the tokens is $1.16. And again, it's also almost 20% down from last 24 hours. And yes, this project is really new. They launched it in the market at the end of 2022. So I am bullish on Phoenix. I really like what I saw. You can see that didn't start too well, but on the last couple of months has been pumping, and now because of the AI is also pumping. So I really like and I want to enter into this project. I can say that openly. All-time high was $2.50, so 100% from here. But it's a really new project. My entry price is going to be below $1. I want to retrace below $1 or the $1 range, which is going to be around the support area that you can see here. All this green is happening almost above the dollar mark. So I will be waiting for that. And in this chart, I will be waiting a little lower around the 90 cents because we can see all this support. And we are already breaking this down. So I really think we may get even the 88 cents. So that will be awesome for this. Other mentions of AI projects are Matrix AI and Fala Network. And if you want to see all the AI projects, you can go here on CoinMarketCap, go to coinmarketcap.com/view/AI-big-data. So here you have all the projects listed. You can search everything that you want about the AI here projects related to AI and machine learning and big data. I think we are going to find ourselves in 2 or 3 years in a bull run with all the AI projects on hype. So that is why I am wanting to search for those gems related to the AI field and niche. Guys, that is all for this video. Just sharing my entry points for the projects of this best altcoins to buy on 2023 related to AI crypto. And if you liked this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell to get the notifications. And I will see you in the next video. Come back in to more airdrops.